The National Center for Adoption Law and Policy offers law and social work students hands-on training to become the next generation of advocates for youth in transition from foster care to independent living.
In 2008, 29,000 youth left foster care without a permanent family.
One of the biggest and major issues that I faced was, trying to find somewhere to live, find a home. Once you're out of foster care, you're on your own. So I was so scared out of my mind of where I was gonna actually stay. I was like, I don't know who I'm gonna live with or anything. I didn't know how I was gonna eat or nothing like that.
By age 24, 37% of former foster youth were homeless, 25% lacked a diploma, only 48% had jobs, and only a fourth felt prepared to be self-sufficient.
One of my other issues was dealing with health care because I have sickle cell anemia. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get taken care of without health care? So that was running through my mind. And also school. I didn't know if I was gonna be fit enough to go off to college. College is not for everyone. So I was trying to decide what I was gonna do if I didn't go to college.
I chose to go to law school to learn how to be a strong advocate for these children and also to help with changing the laws that affect their lives.
Once I got to the point where I finished my undergraduate degree, which was in political science, I feel like I really wanted to have a job where I could really help people and give back in the way that people helped me as I grew up.
Sometimes children are not adequately represented, and I want to be able to be that person to go in, be their voice for them, be their advocate.
Foster youth who had these services are better able to get jobs and obtain health care, less likely to go to prison or be on welfare, and they are more likely to build the support systems needed for independence.
Because of the National Center for Adoption Law and Policy, I feel like I've had more exposure to different opportunities such as specialized coursework focusing on adoption, and also I had the opportunity to participate in the Children and Family Law Advocates group and to serve youth through that. I feel like I've had exposure to the issues that youth are facing today, and I've learned how to be a better advocate for them.
You have no idea of how many foster care children really need this. There are foster care children right now who are homeless that I know of. They're homeless because they didn't have anybody to speak on their behalf.
The National Center for Adoption Law and Policy. We're at the intersection of research, education, and practice.